Hey everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft stream. Today we're going to be talking about the Log4j vulnerability that affected Minecraft servers and other cloud services and enterprise software. This vulnerability is why when you download Minecraft, you see this disclaimer cautioning about unmoderated chat messages. Now, let's jump into a new world, let's call it Log4j, and learn about this vulnerability. It all started in November 2021 when someone wrote a simple, suspicious message in a server chat. This message uncovered a critical zero-day security vulnerability in the Java-based logging library, Log4j, where the vulnerability coined as CVE 2021-44228 posed a serious risk by allowing remote code execution, or RCE, on vulnerable systems by simply sending a message on an online server like this one. What is that? No! The severity of this code was rated a 10 by NIST because the vulnerability allowed attackers to execute arbitrary code on these servers by simply sending crafted log messages that placed malicious code on the user's computer or network, allowing attackers to steal sensitive data or launch ransomware without physical access to the user's network. This was extremely dangerous because it didn't only affect Minecraft. Log4j was a library widely used by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM. So how was this message able to do so much damage? The message uses Java's Naming and Directory Interface, or JNDI, which provides an interface for naming and directory functionality provided by the Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, or LDAP, which accesses and maintains distributed directory information services over an IP network. When the Minecraft server receives the message, it mistakenly processes it as a command due to Log4j's handling of the JNDI lookup within the text. This triggers the server to contact the attacker-controlled LDAP server, which then executes the embedded command. As a result, RCE occurs, allowing the attacker to run malicious code on the victim's system. This exploit was possible because JNDI lacks security restrictions on LDAP requests, and LDAP allowed loading Java classes remotely. Let's look at an example. From the exploit database, here is a module that exploits our CVE 2021-44228. The highlighted portion in green represents the actual command being executed and the data being read as a command into the victim's system. Among the functions, one attempts to set up a fake LDAP server to gain access to the victim's system. Additional functions check for Java availability and configure the LDAP server to facilitate the exploit. The key takeaway here is that the highlighted message, which was initially inserted into the Minecraft server, enabled the attacker to access the victim's system and execute the arbitrary code in green through remote code execution. Now, how did they go about fixing this? Apache released multiple patches to address the Log4j vulnerabilities, where on December 6th, there was a new version of Log4j 2, published that introduced new security controls for JNDI that restricted access to remote sources. On December 14th, Apache released version 2.16.0, which completely removes support for the message lookups and disables JNDI by default. Despite these efforts, a secondary vulnerability, CVE 2021-45046, was discovered, revealing that the initial patches didn't completely solve the problem, leading to version 2.17.0 on December 20th. At the end of the day, this whole Log4j mess showed us a few things. One, that open source software is awesome, but security holes for unchecked third-party dependencies can be devastating, so there must be proactive monitoring and swift response mechanisms to vulnerabilities like these. 2, if you're running a Minecraft server, or really any software, remember to patch your systems with the newest update available, whenever available. That's it for today's stream, so if you found this interesting, drop a like, subscribe, and remember, stay safe out there, whether in Minecraft or in real life.